Hi guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm very excited to have every single one of you here. Alright, if you guys can see my arm moving, it's because I'm petting my dog Chulo. He's very concerned that I'm talking to myself apparently. I don't know, he's like smashing his head down into my lap like he's protecting me. I'm okay, Chulo. I'm okay, thank you for protecting me. All right, so I am here to share with you guys my weekly weigh-in and my weekly menu plan. It should be a fairly quick video, not a whole lot of information to share, basically the same thing I do every time, but yeah. So anywho, let's not start with the rambling. I do have to tell you guys something though. Yeah, so guess what I did? So I don't know if you guys remember, but a couple weeks back, I was talking about how I had lost some weight, but the number of points I could have on a daily basis went up. And I just thought it was weird. Thank you, Chewy. I just thought it was weird, but I kind of went with it because I was like, well, I probably entered something in wrong. I'm just going to roll with it and make it work. And then I got to thinking about it 2 weeks later, and it dawned on me, like, why would losing weight make the number of points I'm supposed to consume in a day go up? And it dawned on me, guys, I wasn't thinking maintenance mode. So yeah, I was losing weight, but I was in maintenance mode. I guess when I updated the app, when they did the changeover, and yeah, that's how long it's been in maintenance mode, I didn't even think to check if I was in weight loss or maintenance. I mean, if it would have asked me, obviously I would have said weight loss, but it must have like automatically set to maintenance or something. So anyways, that is fixed now. I am in weight loss mode for the WW app. My new point values for the day are 31 points a day versus 37, and I now get 28 weeklies. I don't remember how many weeklies I got before that, but I think it was more than that. I don't remember for sure though, so yeah. Anyways, not my most impressive moment, but when do I ever have a whole lot of impressive moments? It is me.
Duh.
So let me go ahead and get into the weigh-in. Even though I was in maintenance, that's impressive. Even though I was in maintenance mode, I still managed to lose 2.8 pounds last week. Woot woot. And let me see. That puts me at a total of, I'm looking at my laptop down here, 24.4 pounds lost. And that is including the 60 pounds I lost and then the weight I gained back. And now I'm back up to 24.4 pounds lost. So progress, guys. I'm making progress. As far as my eating goes, I did good. I didn't track as well as I did the week before, but I kind of ate old familiar favorites. So, and you guys will see, I mean, you'll get to the point where you'll kind of know what you can and can't eat to stay within your points for the day. So I did a lot of that. I did a lot of WW friendly dinners that had leftovers, so I would eat those for lunch the next day. I did simple routine breakfasts that I always eat, but I never seem to get tired of. And I made sure I drank tons of water, plenty of water. So I think that's what contributed to my loss for last week. Let me get you my menu plan really quick for this coming week. I'm gonna have to put on my glasses because I need to be able to read my computer here, sitting in my Chewy. It's okay. Stop. He's just shaking away. Anyways, I need to be able to read my laptop. Chulo, you're messing up my screen. Oh, Chewy, please get your face off my laptop. You're so helpful. You're so helpful. So I did have a few meals last week that were on my menu that I didn't eat, so I transferred them over to this week. So if you're hearing some duplicates, that would be why. So on Monday, I'm planning to eat that WW Crockpot 2-bean chili that I love to make. I know you guys have, my hair is driving me crazy. I know you guys have seen it. I've probably done a cook with me on it before, but it's all meatless, it's in a crock pot, and it is so good, so versatile. I like it because it makes a great big huge pot. I can eat it plain as chili. I can put it on chips for nachos. I can put it in a wrap for like a roll-up thing and add some cheese. So it's very versatile, and I love that about it. So that's what I'm doing on Monday. Then I'll have some leftovers for the week. Tuesdays, we always do lunch meat sandwiches and chips in the Chaos household. On Wednesday, I'm doing something new. Now, it's not a new meal for me because I've had it a million times before and I love it. But it's going to be new for my family. And I think this is the first time that I've actually put a salad down as the main course for my entire family to eat. I'm planning to make the Big Mac salad by Christy over at Planning Us Healthy. I love this salad. It is so good. I've even put it on wraps before to make like a Big Mac snack wrap. So maybe my family will end up doing that. I don't know, but it's very filling. It's very yummy. And I'm very excited to see what my family thinks. In fact, guys, I think I will go ahead and link any of the recipes that I mentioned today. If I can find a link for them, I'll put them down in the description so you can go and check them out too. So yeah, I don't usually do salads as main courses for my kids and my husband, but this week we're trying it out. I'll let you know how it goes. Thursdays, we do leftovers. Fridays, we're doing pizza and salad. I've got more of that Green Goddess salad mix that I picked up at Trader Joe's, so I'm planning to eat some of that along with maybe a slice or two of pizza. I usually try and budget in enough from my weeklies so that I can have a piece of pizza on Fridays with the family. Saturday, breakfast is up to Steve and the kiddos because I'm working in the clinic that day. Saturday lunches are lunch meat and chips or leftovers if we have any. And then on Saturdays, especially the Saturdays I work, I try and do a Crockpot meal because then I can just get up and get it started. And then when I get home from work, or if I don't have to work and we're running errands, then dinner's already set up for us when we get home. So I'm doing cheesy kielbasa hash brown casserole. This is a pound dropper recipe. I have made it before. It is really easy and really yummy. Make sure you check out the link for that one down below. Now this Sunday, I'm actually going to be home. So I'm planning to do another recipe from Christy over at Planning Us Healthy. And I'm going to do the chocolate chip pancake bake. I know I have a link for that one, so I will put it down below for sure. For lunch on Sundays, we always do leftovers. And then Sunday for dinner, this is one of my rollovers from last week. I'm doing the chicken enchiladas. I haven't had time to make those, guys, and I'm still just as excited as when I said I was going to make them last week. So, yeah, that is my menu plan for the week. Like I said, links down below to any of them that I have recipes for. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. I will get back with you as quickly as I can. I hope you guys are having a fantastic week. If you haven't already, if you give this video a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. If you're not a member of my YouTube family and you think you can handle my chaos, and it's been a lot lately, all you have to do is hit that picture of me down in the corner and we'll be instant YouTube family. And until next time, guys, keep smiling.